Alright, on today's episode of Knight's Armory, we're going to be reviewing the Kershaw Emerson CQC-11K D2. Alright, this one's got is a stainless steel folding knife with a 3.5-inch manual open blade, G10 handle, weighs 5.8 ounces. Great knife. Absolutely love this thing also. Just like the one I was showing y'all last week, it also has the pocket clip so that whenever you go to pull it, just grabs hold of your pocket and opens up automatically. I have been kind of teeter-tottering back and forth which one I want to keep between that one and this one. Both really good knives. Kind of leaning toward this one because it kind of matches with the black. Another cool feature of this one and that one, you can flip the pocket clip to the other side. So depending on which pocket you want to keep it in, it'll make that easy for you. And oh, one other thing. Be careful, if you end up buying one of these on Amazon, they do have a pretty convincing knockoff. Looks identical. Different type of steel though. That's a lot cheaper. So just be mindful of that. That's why I'm always careful with people buying stuff on Amazon. Sometimes you can get good deals, you can find good stuff, but other times, yeah, not so much. I've had a lot of people bring in knives that were not what they thought they were getting when they ordered it on Amazon. So just something to be mindful of. And yeah, that's about it. That is your quick review. Have a good day. Bye. That's about it. That is your quick review.